Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can connect your Metamask wallet to Coinbase Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to metamask.io/download/ and from there you could just go ahead and install the extension for Metamask. Now right after, you want to click on add to Opera, and from there we will be able to add the Metamask wallet into our Opera extension. And guys, by the way, if you want to go ahead and add the Coinbase wallet into your browser, there's also a website for the Coinbase one, which is coinbase.com/wallet/downloads. Now right after installing Metamask, it will then take you to this page right here. You can just go ahead and import your wallet right here by clicking on import an existing wallet. And right after importing your wallet, you want to go ahead and click on this button right here. Click on add account or hardware wallet, and from there you want to click on import account. And inside, you have to go ahead and enter the private key string from your Coinbase wallet, and you'll be able to connect them together. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.